Hey friends, today we will be reading Investment Management Courses written by Mayank Gaur. There are many countries that offer excellent diploma programs in investment management. However, ultimately depends on your personal preferences, career goals, and other factors such as language, cost, and visa requirements. Here are some countries that are known for their high quality investment management programs. First one is United States. The US is home to some of the world's top investment management programs, including those offered by Harvard's Business School, Watson School of at the University of Pennsylvania, and the Stanford Graduate School of Business. United Kingdoms. The UK has some of the oldest and the most respected university in the world, including Oxford and Cambridge, the London School of Economics and Political Science, and the Imperial College of Business Schools also offer the excellent investment management programs. Switzerland. Switzerland is known for its expertise in the banking and the finance, and many of its universities and business schools offers top-notch investment management programs. The University of Zurich and the Swiss Finance Institutes are the two examples. Canada. Canada is the home to some of the best business schools in the world, including the Rothman School of Management at the University of Toronto and the Sauder School of the Business at the University of British Columbia. Australia. Australia has several high-ranked business schools that offers investment management programs, including the University of Melbourne and the University of New South Wales. Ultimately, the best country for you will depend on your personal goal and preferences, as well as the specific program you are interested in. It's important to do your research and choose a program and country that is align with your career aspirations. Please like and subscribe my video. We will be giving more informative video like this. Thank you.